Make a good impression. A lot of the time, it can seem like it's just you and your friends hanging out together online. Actually, anything you say, do, or post might be seen by almost anyone. That's why it's important to be smart about what you do and what you post, and that you manage your digital footprint with care. Think carefully about the online names, videos, profile pictures, and avatars you use. Remember, once it's online, it can stay online forever. And stuff you post online could be saved or forwarded and found by others using a search engine like Google, even years after you post it. So think twice before you say or post something that might hurt somebody's feelings, even if you use a fake name. It's not that hard to find out who someone really is online. I remember 4 or 5 years ago, something happened. I pressed the wrong button and it posted something up that was not true and was bad. So I had to delete my whole account to make sure that no one saw it. And I had to restart it and I had to add all my friends again. Don't forget to tell an adult you trust if something goes wrong.